Are you staring at a blank chart and not sure what to trade today? Let's tap into the minds of thousands of other traders using the ideas stream on TradingView. Look at the far right-hand vertical menu on the TradingView window. You will see a symbol that looks similar to the Wi-Fi symbol. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be prompted to go on many different tabs, but go on the Ideas tab. This will show you different ideas such as fundamental analysis, educational posts, or technical setups by other people on TradingView. Simply find a chart that looks interesting and click on it to see their full thesis and markup. And here's the best part. TradingView tracks historical ideas. If you looked at an idea published a few days or weeks ago, simply click the play button on their chart. Let me show you an example. Let's go to the first one on our screen, right here. As you see, there's a play button on the right-hand side. Let's see how this works. Perfect. Have a great day, guys.